Asking for medicine.
Hi there. I'm hoping you can help me. I'm not feeling very well.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
I have a really bad headache. It started this morning. Do you have something you can recommend?
Of course. We have a few options. These tablets here are very popular and work quickly.
That sounds good. How many should I take?
Just take 2 with a big glass of water. You can take them every 4 hours, but no more than 3 times in one day.
Okay, perfect. I'll take these. How much do I owe you?
That will be $6.75, please.
Here you go. Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. I hope you feel better soon.
Asking for directions.
Excuse me, sorry to bother you. Is this where I catch the bus to the City Museum?
The museum? Let me think. Yes, you need the number 42 bus. And yes, this is the right stop.
Oh, wonderful. Thank you. I'm new in the city and I get a little lost sometimes.
No problem at all. The 42 bus comes every 20 minutes. You shouldn't have to wait long.
That's great. Do you know how much the fare is?
It's $2.50 exactly. You'll need to have the cash ready for the driver.
Okay, I have it right here. Thank you again. You've been so helpful.
My pleasure. Enjoy the museum. It's really great.
At the supermarket.
Pardon me. I've been looking for the peanut butter for 5 minutes and I can't find it.
It happens to me all the time. It's in aisle 7 with the bread and jam.
Aisle 7. Okay, thank you. This store is so big.
It really is. Are you looking for creamy or crunchy?
I need the crunchy kind for a cookie recipe.
Okay, when you get to aisle 7, it will be on the right side, on the middle shelf.
You are a lifesaver. Thank you.
Happy to help. Good luck with your cookies.
Ordering a coffee.
Hi there. What can I get started for you today?
Hi. Everything looks good. Can I get a medium latte, please?
Sure thing. Any milk preference? We have whole, skim, oat, or almond.
Oat milk, please. That's my favorite.
Excellent choice. Anything to eat? Our blueberry muffins are fresh from the oven.
Oh, that sounds amazing. Yes, I'll have one muffin too.
For here or to go?
I'll stay here today. It's so cozy.
Perfect. That'll be $9.25. Or I'll bring your latte to your table when it's ready.
Thanks so much.
Making an appointment.
Good afternoon, City Dental. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to schedule a cleaning appointment, please.
Certainly. Are you a current patient with us?
Yes, my name is Maria Lopez.
Hello, Ms. Lopez. I see your file here. How is Thursday, November 10th at 3 p.m.?
That works perfectly for me.
Great. We'll see you then. Please remember to arrive 10 minutes early to fill out your paperwork.
I will. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Borrowing a book.
Hello. I'd like to borrow these 3 books, please.
Wonderful choices. Do you have a library card with us?
Not yet. What do I need to do to get one?
It's easy. I just need to see an ID with your name and address, and you fill out a small application.
I have my driver's license right here.
Perfect. It will only take a moment. Okay, here is your new card. It's free and you can borrow up to 15 items at a time.
15. That's fantastic. Thank you for your help.
And my pleasure. Happy reading.
A friend visits.
Ben, hi, come in, come in. It's so good to see you.
Anna, you too. Thanks for having me over.
Of course, please make yourself at home. Can I get you something to drink? I have iced tea, lemonade, coffee.
I would love a glass of lemonade. It's so warm outside today.
Coming right up. So how have you been? How is your new job?
It's going really well. Thanks for asking. It's busy, but I'm learning a lot.
That's great to hear. I'm so happy for you.
Thanks. And how are your English classes going?
They're good. I'm learning new words every day, like lemonade.
Buying a train ticket.
Hi, I need a one-way ticket to Springfield, please.
Sure. For what time?
For the next available train, please.
The next one is at 2:15 p.m. from Platform 3. It's an express train, so it's a bit more expensive. $35.
That's fine. Express is good.
Will that be cash or card?
Credit card, please.
Thank you. Here is your ticket. Your train will board in about 20 minutes.
Thank you. Could you point me towards Platform 3?
Just down this hall and to your left. You can't miss it.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
Talking about the weather.
Good morning, Sarah. Beautiful day, isn't it?
Good morning, Mr. Jones. It really is. The sun is finally out after all that rain.
I know. My garden is very happy. The flowers needed the sun. Are you doing anything nice to enjoy it?
I think I'll take my dog for a long walk in the park later. What about you?
Oh, I'll probably just sit on my porch with a good book and a cup of tea. Simple pleasures.
That sounds lovely. Well, enjoy the sunshine.
You too, Sarah. Have a good one.
Returning a shirt.
Hi, excuse me. I'd like to return this shirt, please.
Okay, sure. Was there rather something wrong with it?
Oh, no, it's fine. I just bought it for my brother, but it's the wrong size. It's too big for him.
I see. Do you have the receipt with you?
Yes, I think it's right here in the bag. Yes, here you go.
Thank you. Would you like to exchange it for the correct size, or would you prefer a refund?
A refund would be best. Thank you.
Not a problem. I can put that back on your card. It will take a couple of days to show up on your statement.
That's perfect. Thank you for being so helpful.
You're very welcome. Have a great day.